Hello and welcome. Let's see how we can use JavaScript to increase or decrease the font size while the user is typing. Like this. So starting from scratch, all I have is a background color set. The background color is here and a little bit of flexbox to center the content. We'll start with an input field. I'll give it an ID of input. And I'll turn that annoying autocomplete off. Okay, so that's showing up here. Good. We will also need a hidden element, an element outside of the viewport. I'll use a div for that. Give it an ID of hidden. Let's write some styles that both of our elements will need. So I want them to use the same font family, of course, and the same font weight, and white space pre-wrap, and some specific styles for the input field. All right, that works. And for hidden, position fixed, and we'll just place it way outside. And width auto, perfect. Time for the JavaScript. Get the input field. And our hidden elements. Let's get the width of the input field. And let's also set our max font size, which is 70. Oops. Let's add an event listener to our input field. So set font size will be the name of our function. We'll start at the max font size for testing. And the text content of the hidden element will be whatever the value is of our input field at the moment. And we'll use a while loop here, while true. So it's infinite until we break out of it. And we'll set the font size of the hidden element to test font size. And if the hidden element's offset width is greater than the element width, then we'll change the test font size and decrease it a little bit. Else, we'll set the font size of the input element to this test font size, and we'll break out of the loop because we're happy with it. So I think that should be it. Let's try it out. I am writing a long story here. All right, so that seems to be working just fine. Cool. 5 billion. All right, very nice. So you can obviously tweak it and play around with it. Maybe you have a more clever way of doing it. Let me know in the comments if so. I tried out a couple of libraries. There was something called FitText.js, I think, but it didn't really do what I was looking for. So I came up with this little snippet. Hope you find it useful. Have fun!